Bird and Kip, Episode 50, The Blizzard. Kip stood up. Snow blew all around him.
See you later, Bird.
Kip called.
I'm going to play in the... Whoa!
A strong gust of wind blew. Kip flew through the air. He tumbled over and over.
Whoa!
Cried Kip. Poof! He landed in a big snowdrift. Kip pulled himself out of the snow. Wind blew toward Kip. Snow swirled around him. But Kip wanted to play anyway.
I'll build a snowman,
said Kip. He rolled snow into a ball. Soon he had a huge snowball. More snow was falling. Soon snow covered Kip. Then more wind blew. The snowball rolled over Kip. He cried. Kip was stuck to the huge snowball. The snowball rolled down a hill. It rolled straight toward the frozen pond. Cried Kip.